Today's drink will need 3 ounces or shots of your favorite unflavored vodka, 3/4 cup Red Bull Red, make sure it's the cranberry, a splash or 2 ounces of regular cranberry juice, and some lemons for garnish. And boom, we're gonna call this a FLEXBULL. So I came across some old pictures of myself from high school and I was in a split. So when I saw that picture, I was like, I don't think I can do a split anymore. And it made me start thinking of all the things I used to be able to do, like a split, and I used to be able to like put my legs on my head and just a whole bunch of different things that I was really, really flexible. And I just don't know if I have those capabilities anymore. So I posted a video of this girl on Instagram the other day, and you guys, she is so flexible. Her name is I Am Stivana on Instagram, so please check her out if you haven't already. But I found myself going back to this video, like she's just so flexible, just so effortless, and just so flowy. I was like, dang, I'm trying to do that too. So today I'm just gonna test out my own flexibility by trying out some of her poses. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna get started with this video I just showed you guys. So let's see how this goes. Oh, what is she doing? Oh, okay. I don't think I could go any further than this. Okay, so we're gonna just go right on to the next one, and I'm gonna put my phone in front of me so I can try and follow what she's doing. Okay. What? Wait, wrong leg, hold on. I'm so confused. Did I do it? Okay, let's do an easier pose because that one just wasn't it. Just got one leg up, the other leg straight. Oh, I think I could definitely do this one. This one seems pretty easy. Okay. Hold up. I'm just gonna spring my leg up in the air and see if I can catch it with my hands because I can't seem to get my hands around that. 1, 2, 3. All right. This is harder than I thought. Lord Jesus, I'm sweating. Okay, I think this one is also on the easier side, so I'm gonna give this one a go. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to my leg. I'm gonna push my body up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I feel like, let me cheat. This is as far as I can go for this one. My leg's supposed to be parallel. It looks like that one's not working either. I really thought that one was gonna be easy. Let's give a standing one a try. I'm literally out of breath, so let's see how she goes with this one. No? Okay, I almost got it. Let's start this one over. I'm gonna get this one. I'm like still stuck on level 1. She's like way ahead of me. I just want to get the leg over. She said, okay. Okay. Hold on, let me work on that. No. I guess that one wasn't for me either. Okay, I think I can for sure do this one. This one seems pretty easy. All she's doing is like bending her head back. I'm gonna take it slow. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I know you heard that. Oh my God. Hold on. Ooh, okay, let's try this one again. Am I doing it? Oh! I'm gonna try this one again, but without speaking, so I get it right. Maybe. I think I did that one. Come through flexibility. Yes.
Boy, if you don't.
Okay, so I've re-upped on my drink. I'm a little still out of breath, but I'm not a big Red Bull drinker, but I chose it today because I wanted it to give me wings. Red Bull says it'll give you wings. At this point, I should be like all types of flexible, but it's just false advertisement. Okay, so let's get into the next pose. These two are kind of similar, so whichever one I'm able to pull off out of the two is gonna be what it is. I think I got it. Almost. I don't think I can hold that, so what I'm gonna try and do is again, meet my hands with my legs. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try and start from here and see if my hands can basically meet my legs the same way, okay? Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Oh wait, I think that one was almost there. I think I gotta start from the bottom. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Apologies for this little glare of light that's happening. That's probably the Lord like, girl, if you keep going, I'ma really make you see that light. Okay, this is the last one I'm gonna try, you guys. And I think this one does seem like one of the easiest ones of all of them. At least I hope so. I'm gonna try again with this one to kind of just give it my all and have my hands meet my legs. And if I'm supposed to see the light, I'm gonna see the light. But let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it almost worked. It almost worked. Okay, hold on. Okay, come on, wings. Come on, wings. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. I'm gonna call it a day because I don't think I can do this. I played myself. I'm gonna work on my flexibility. I am Stevania. You are amazing. You are bomb. I don't know how you do that, but wow, girl. Cheers to you. And I ain't got nothing else to say. Goodbye. Just before we go though, I'm gonna show you guys that I'm not an absolute waste. I can do a headstand. A headstand. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure I don't balance on the wall. See? Ah! I could do poses and headstands though. How about that? How about that? Oh, okay.
Thembi